Happy birthday, Jean. BGP Jean. No more minor moments, and I'm so happy that you've turned 18 yesterday, and it's a great pleasure for me to have a friend like you.
이미 안에 뛴 적이 없으니까 지저분이 목에 먹줄은 내 거니까 땅바닥에 단표로 we go 205 shut it down 초록빛을 내려 머리 위로 don't trip baby 겸손하게 그냥 앉아있어 just sit baby Happy birthday vroom 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 when we pull up you know it's a shutdown 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shut down whip it 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 it's black and it's pink once the sundown when we pull up you know it's a shutdown 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shut down whip it 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 keep watching me shut it down nah.
Happy birthday, Jean. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jean Bilog. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jean!
Shut it down, Blackpink in your area. Shut it down, what? Shut it down, Blackpink in your area. Keep talking, we shut you down.
Happy birthday, Bunso. Kahit na sobrang mainitin ng ulo, still, achiever. Wala kami masabi sa school, sa talent. Talagang out of sa ating tatlo, ikaw yung top doon.
Could end in burning flames or paradise. Fade into view. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you.
Masungit. Mainitin ang ulo.
Laging nakasigaw.
Pero negative. Pero achiever.
Talented.
You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good girl face.
Today is a special day that marks your legality. You're no longer our little boy money. Tonight, you are already a full-grown, beautiful lady.
So it goes. He can't keep his wild eyes on the road.
Pinanganak yan sa tricycle eh. Doon sa pinanganak. Hindi na siya umabot ng ospital.
Kasi, nung time na yon, nagle-labor ako, usong bingo, nakikibingo pa ako. Nagbibingo kami mga pamilya. Pagdating namin sa ospital, talagang parang artista yung anak ko. Nakapaikot yung mga tao dyan.
He says what you heard is true, but I can't stop thinking about you and I said I've been there too a few times. Cause you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like.
Ayun, alam mo na 7 years old pa lang tayo, grade 1 pa lang tayo, magkaibigan na tayo. Tapos ngayon, 18 na tayo, graduating na tayo sa high school pareho. At alam kong malakas ka, matapang ka. Tapos wish ko lang sana you will always prioritize yourself. And of course, yung happiness mo, yun yung must eh.